Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we dive deep into the cars that get our hearts racing. Today, we've got something truly special, the 2026 Chevrolet Nova SS 396. This is the muscle car comeback we've all been waiting for. Blending classic style with modern performance that's ready to dominate the streets. Chevrolet's bringing back a legend with a monstrous V8, aggressive design, and cutting-edge tech. So buckle up as we take a full tour of this beast. From its head-turning exterior to its high-octane performance, interior details, pricing, and some thoughts on whether this is the ride for you. Let's get started. First up, let's walk around the exterior and soak in the design of this 2026 Nova SS 396. Starting at the front, you're immediately hit with that bold, in-your-face attitude that screams American muscle. The grille is wide and aggressive, painted in a menacing black mesh that looks like it's ready to swallow the road hole. Flanking the grille are sleek LED halo headlights that give a modern twist while nodding to the classic Nova's round-eyed look from the 60s and 70s. The hood is sculpted with subtle vents, hinting at the power underneath. And you can opt for a carbon fiber hood on the track package for that extra race-ready vibe. The front fascia is low and mean, with sharp aerodynamic lines that make it clear this car isn't just about looks, it's built to cut through the air like a knife. Moving to the side profile, the Nova SS 396 keeps that retro-inspired silhouette, but polishes it with 21st century flair. The body is sleek yet muscular, with sculpted fenders that bulge just enough to remind you of the original SS's raw energy. You'll notice the available dual racing stripes that run from the hood to the rear, a classic touch that's perfect for enthusiasts who want that vintage vibe. The car sits on 20-inch alloy wheels as standard, with the track package offering lightweight forged rims for better performance. The side mirrors are color-matched, and there's a subtle SS badge near the front fender that lets everyone know this isn't your average coupe. The lines flow smoothly, giving it a planted stance that looks ready to pounce. Now, let's swing around to the back. The rear of the Nova SS 396 is just as aggressive as the front, with taillights that pay homage to the classic Nova but use modern LED technology for a crisp, vibrant glow. The dual exhaust tips are massive, promising a thunderous soundtrack, and the rear diffuser adds a touch of motorsport-inspired functionality. A small lip spoiler comes standard, but the track package gives you a more pronounced wing for extra downforce. The Chevrolet body sits proudly in the center, and the overall look is clean but intimidating, like a fighter sizing you up before the bell rings. This design perfectly balances nostalgia with modern aggression, making it a head-turner whether you're cruising downtown or parked at a car show. Stepping inside, the interior of the 2026 Nova SS 396 is where retro charm meets modern tech. Slide into the driver's seat, and you're greeted by SS embroidered bucket seats that hug you tightly, wrapped in premium leather with contrast stitching. The cabin feels driver-focused, with a mix of analog-style gauges for that classic feel, and a massive 13-inch digital display for all your modern needs. The steering wheel is thick and grippy, with paddle shifters for the automatic models and controls for everything from audio to cruise control. The center console is clean but functional, housing a wireless charging pad, USB-C ports, and a rotary dial for the infotainment system. Speaking of infotainment, you've got wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a premium Bose audio system that makes your favorite track sound as powerful as the engine. The back seats are a bit tight, which is typical for a muscle car, but they're fine for short trips or smaller passengers. Cargo space in the trunk is decent for a coupe, with enough room for a weekend getaway or some gym bags. Higher trims add luxuries like heated and ventilated seats, a heads-up display, and customizable ambient lighting. J.D. Power noted that the interior strikes a great balance between old-school vibes and future-forward tech, making it versatile, enough for collectors, enthusiasts, or even daily drivers who want a bit of flair. The build quality feels solid, with soft-touch materials and tight panel gaps, though some hard plastics on lower trims remind you this isn't a luxury sedan, it's a muscle car with a purpose. Now, let's talk about what makes this Nova SS 396 a true beast: its performance. Under the hood lies a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V8, pumping out an estimated 525 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque, though some sources suggest it could hit as high as 560 horsepower. This is raw, unfiltered American muscle, no hybrids. No electric motors, just pure V8 power. You've got a choice between a 6-speed manual transmission for the purists or a 10-speed automatic for those who want quicker shifts and broader appeal. Early tests suggest a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in just 3.8 seconds, with some claiming 3.7 seconds for the track package, putting it in the same league as heavyweights like the Mustang GT 500 or Dodge Challenger's RT Hellcat. The quarter mile. Expected to rip through in under 12 seconds, the Nova SS comes with Brembo brakes and launch control as standard, ensuring you can harness all that power effectively. The track package steps it up with adaptive Magnerite dampers, a carbon fiber, hood and stickier tires for better grip on the circuit. The suspension is tuned for performance but doesn't beat you up on the road, making it versatile enough for daily driving or track days. The exhaust note is pure thunder, a deep, guttural roar that'll make your neighbors jealous and your heart race every time you fire it up. Whether you're blasting down a straightaway or carving through corners, this car feels planted and responsive with rear-wheel drive, delivering that classic muscle car handling. Let's get to pricing, which is where things get interesting. Chevrolet hasn't dropped official numbers yet, but industry insiders estimate the base Nova S396 will start around $65,000. If you want the track package with all the performance goodies, you're looking closer to $80,000. That puts it in direct competition with the likes of the Ford Mustang Dark Horse and Dodge Challenger Hellcat. But the Nova's blend of retro style, modern tech, and that screaming V8 gives it a unique edge. Car and Driver says this pricing hits a sweet spot for value, especially compared to Chevy's other performance offerings like the Corvette. It's not cheap, but for a car that's likely to become a future collectible, it feels like a fair deal. So, who's this car for and what are my suggestions? If you're a muscle car enthusiast, a Chevy fan, or just someone who loves the idea of a V8-powered coupe that blends old-school cool with modern performance, the 2026 Nova S396 is a no-brainer. It's perfect for weekend cruises, car shows, or tearing up the track. My suggestion: go for the track package. If your budget allows, it adds serious performance upgrades that make it a true contender on the circuit. If you're planning to daily drive it, the base SS is plenty powerful and comes with enough tech to keep you comfortable. Just be aware that fuel economy won't be great. Expect single digits in the city if you're heavy on the throttle. Also, consider waiting for pre-orders to open in late 2025 to lock in your build, as these might sell out fast given the hyped up. As we wrap up, the 2026 Chevrolet Nova SS 396 is more than just a car, it's a statement. In a world full of electric crossovers, Chevy's decision to revive a V8-powered rear-wheel drive muscle car is bold and unapologetic. With 525-plus horsepower, a design that turns heads, and an interior that balances nostalgia with modern convenience, this Nova SS is poised to carry the torch for American muscle. It's a car that'll make you feel alive every time you turn the key, whether you're a gearhead chasing that perfect quarter mile or just someone who loves the sound of a V8 at full song. This is the muscle car comeback we've been waiting for, and it's every bit as epic as we hoped. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the 2026 Chevy Nova SS 396. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts. Would you pick the manual or automatic? Maybe you want to see another muscle car showdown? Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more car reviews every week. Until next time, keep the engines roaring and drive safe. See you on the road.